What if I told you that someone who bought a home in Rockland County just 5 years ago is sitting on nearly $200,000 in equity right now without doing a single thing? And if they bought 10 years ago in Bergen County, New Jersey, we're talking about gains that most people only dream about. Now stay with me because the numbers I'm about to show you are going to change the way you think about real estate forever. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Jose Rodriguez, and today we're going to be diving deep into two of the most active real estate markets in greater New York metro area, Rockland County, New York, and Bergen County, New Jersey. I'm going to walk you through the actual data year by year so you can see exactly what's happening to home values and, more importantly, what it means for you if you're thinking about buying or selling. Let's start with Rockland County. This data comes straight from the One Key MLS, one of the most comprehensive multiple listing services in the region. And today, the story it tells is remarkable. In 2021, the median sales price in Rockland County was $525,000. Now let's walk it forward year by year. In 2022, prices climbed to $575,000. That's a $50,000 increase, or roughly 9.5% in a single year. In 2023, the market kept pushing. Median prices hit $610,000, another $35,000 gain. So we're up about 6.1% year over year. 2024, we saw the momentum continue. The median jumped to $675,000, a $65,000 increase, representing 10.7% growth in 1 year alone. And then 2025, the market delivered again. Median prices rose to $724,000. That's another $49,200. That's a 7.3% gain year over year. Now let's zoom out a little bit. From 2021 to 2025, just 4 years, the median sales price in Rockland County went from $525,000 to $724,000. That is a $200,000 increase, nearly 38% growth in just 4 years. I mean, if you bought real estate back in 2021, you didn't just buy a home. You bought an asset that's been building wealth for you every single day since. Now let's talk about Bergen County, New Jersey. And this is where the long game really comes into focus. I have monthly median close price data going all the way back to 2016, and I want to walk you through what a decade of patience looks like. Back in January 2016, the median close price in Bergen County was $432,500. By the end of 2016, prices were closing out of the year at around $467,000. That's an increase of roughly $34,500, or about 8% for the year. Moving on to 2017, we saw steady growth. The median closed out the year at around $460,000. It's holding strong, right? The market was building its foundation. Now in 2018, prices gained further ground, in the medians hovering around $480,000 by the end of the year, roughly about a 4.3% above 2017. 2019 kept the trajectory going, finishing at around $492,000. Modest, but consistent. Then 2020 hit, and despite a global pandemic, Bergen County real estate didn't collapse. It surged. By year end, median prices reached approximately $575,000. That's an extraordinary $83,000 jump, or roughly around 17% in 1 year. Why? Because demand for suburban space exploded. Now, 2021 built onto that momentum. By December, the median price was around $593,000, year end to year end. Prices held and consolidated those pandemic era gains. Now, we get to the acceleration phase. In 2022, Bergen County prices pushed significantly higher. January opened at $595,000, and the market climbed through the year, with the summer months touching $720,000. The annual median closed significantly above 2021 levels. 2023 continued the climb, and January opened at $590,000, but by August, the market hit $782,000, a remarkable summer peak. 2024 was another strong year. We saw January roughly opening at $690,000, and the peak summer months approaching close to $825,000. Now you must be thinking about 2025 and how the market is doing now all the way till 2026. Bergen County fully cemented its position as one of the premium suburban markets in the region. January came in at $825,000, Summer months reached 887,500, and the year closed with January 2026 already printing at $834,000. In February at 750,000. So here's the headline number. Someone who bought in Bergen County in early 2016 at around 432,500, if their home tracked the median, is looking at a current value approaching 825,000 to 850,000. That's nearly 400,000 in appreciation, almost double what they paid. Now, I want to be real with you because I know what most of you are thinking. You're thinking, but prices are high right now. Maybe I should wait another year for them to come down. And here's what I want you to understand. People were saying the same exact thing in 2016. They said it in 2018. They said it again in 2020 during a pandemic. Everybody lost their minds. Markets still went up. The data doesn't lie. Every single year we've looked at today, the long-term direction has been the same, up. The question was never, should you buy real estate? The question is how you buy it and who is in your corner helping you do it the right way. Because buying smart means understanding your market. It means knowing what neighborhoods are trending, what the inventory looks like, what you can negotiate, and how to structure a deal that works for your life. That's not something that you figure out alone. That's what the right real estate professional does for you. The people who are sitting on $200,000 equity in Rockland County right now, they didn't just wait for the perfect moment. They acted and they had someone guiding them through it. Look, I mean, I could feel comfortable telling you right now, 5 years from now, you're either going to be the person who bought or the person who's watching prices and wishing you had. Don't be that person. If you have a question about buying real estate, what's the market doing in Rockland, Bergen County, or anywhere in the greater metro area, drop them in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you're serious about making a move, let's have a real estate conversation about how we can make it happen for you. That's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions about your specific property, whether you should sell, whether you should hold, if you're looking to buy, feel free to reach out to us. I'm going to put my information down below. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next one.